Clutch sliding, difficult gear shifting, and clutch noise are all typical clutch issues in Massimo cars. It is advised to speak with a Massimo dealer or authorized mechanic to handle these problems, as they can identify the issue and suggest the best fixes or changes for clutch performance. What are the common Massimo clutch problems? The first one is slipping. The clutch fails to transfer power effectively, resulting in a loss of acceleration. The next one is sticking. The clutch pedal does not return to its original position after being pressed, making gear shifting difficult. Failure to engage or disengage properly can lead to difficulties in changing gears or a complete inability to shift. The third one is worn clutch plates. Over time, the clutch plates can wear out, leading to diminished performance and slipping. And next one is malfunctioning clutch release mechanism. Issues with the clutch release mechanism can cause problems with engagement and disengagement. Problems with the clutch hydraulic system, such as leaks or air bubbles, can affect clutch operation. Before getting into our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It means a lot to us. If you are interested in reading such insightful content about UTV, visit our website www.offroadingutv.com. Link is given in the description. Let's get back to the video. In Massimo automobiles, clutch slipping is a frequent problem that can happen, worrying owners. It is a problem when the clutch partially disengages, impairing the transfer of power from the engine to the drivetrain. This may feel like the engine is revving more than usual, yet the speed of the car is not increasing accordingly. Massimo cars may experience clutch sliding for a number of reasons. Clutch plates that are worn could be a factor. The friction material on the clutch plates may deteriorate with time, affecting their capacity to effectively transmit power and grip. Aggressive driving practices, such as frequently riding the clutch or excessive slippage during gear changes, can hasten this wear. A malfunctioning clutch cable is another potential factor in clutch sliding. The clutch can be engaged and disengaged via the clutch cable, which links the clutch pedal to the clutch mechanism. The cable may not be able to fully contact the clutch, which might cause sliding if it is worn out, strained, or not fitted properly. Clutch sliding may also be caused by low clutch fluid. Clutch engagement and disengagement are controlled by hydraulic pressure. If the fluid level is low, there may not be enough pressure, which could lead to the clutch slipping. Massimo car owners are concerned since clutch sliding is a frequent problem that can happen. It is a problem when the clutch partially disengages, preventing the engine and drivetrain from transmitting power. This may seem like the feeling that the engine is revving more quickly than usual, but the speed of the car is not increasing proportionally. Massimo automobiles clutch sliding could be caused by some different factors. Clutch plate wear is one possibility. The clutch plate's capacity to grasp and transmit power properly can be diminished over time when the friction material on them deteriorates. Aggressive driving practices, such as regularly slipping the clutch or changing gears too quickly, might hasten this wear. The cable may not be able to fully contact the clutch, which might cause sliding if it is worn out, strained, or not fitted properly. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website link given in the description. Thank you. That is for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video.